Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial of SendWo, where I'm going to tell you very quick on this and take you throughout the dashboard of SendWo, where you'll be seeing how we can do bulk broadcasting on WhatsApp using the official WhatsApp API. The benefit of using the official API is the banning chances are less because you are being compliant with the WhatsApp business and commerce policy. You just need to make sure that the customer list that you have, it is well custom according to a way where they are your own customer list. If you have not done your branding and if you're still trying to reach them, the chances of blocking probably gets higher, but still using WhatsApp API is the best way to go ahead. So watch this video till the end because I'm going to tell you two important things. First is how you can do the bulk broadcasting with the message template and engage with your customers. And the second most important thing that I'm going to explain in the last of this video, you can do bulk broadcasting using the power of AI. I'll integrate the AI in the end of this video and I'll show you how you can do the broadcasting. And let's suppose if the customer replies to your message template, then AI will talk on your behalf. They'll keep on communicating. The AI will keep on communicating with your customer, and probably it will either sell the product to your customer or any service that you're trying to pitch to your customer, or else maybe if they don't love, if the customer does not love, they can block your number. So in that case, AI is very responsible in answering everything. So let's check out in this video. Stay till the end of this video because AI has to show its magic to you. Let's go back to the dashboard of Sendu and check out everything here. So right now you can see that I am on the SendWo website. How to do everything? You can follow the simple doc that you can see over here. We have a documentation of how to do the setups, the very basic how you can start with. So this is the SendWo dashboard. Here initially when you are getting started, if you are new, you have to integrate your WhatsApp API. If you have not got the approval for WhatsApp API, talk to us and we'll help you. But let's say I have also opened a dashboard over here where you can see that I have not done the API integration, because when I click on connect accounts, I do not see any number connected over here. So for you guys, I have temporarily created a test number and I'm going to integrate that test number in this particular account. And then we'll go ahead, upload the CSV format of our customer. We'll get a message template and then push it to that customer list. So let's do this. I'm going to my Facebook Business Manager account. In order to connect my number, I need two things. One is your business account ID and second is your access token. So as I said, you can go to this doc and here you can read this particular documentation on how to connect your WhatsApp API number. The entire procedure is well explained over here. You can simply follow these steps and you can do the API integrations. It's very easy. After API integration, make sure that you are configuring your webhook. Just follow this documentation and it's super easy to do. So once you do this, you will get two information. One is your access token and second is your WABA ID, WhatsApp business account ID. So as I said, I have one number right now over here with me. Let's check it out. So I am just opening the app of developer account and here you can see I'll go to WhatsApp and I'll go to API setup. Once I go to API setup, a new page will open. So you can see that I am using a test number for this video demo purpose. So here is the WhatsApp business account ID. I'll copy this. I'll go and paste it over here. The next is I need access token. So since I am using the test number, so the access token I'll get right away over here for this particular thing. But in order, like when you are going to update with your own number, you have to go to system user in order to generate your WAB ID or access token. So this is done over here. You can again go back to this documentation, understand how it is being generated and use it. But right now we are just focusing on getting a number so that I can show you how you can do bulk broadcasting. So I just did this. I'll click on connect. So you see it is now showing that connected. WhatsApp account has been connected successfully. You see the test number, it is now showing that it is available for these particular purpose. If you are an e-commerce business, you need to make sure that you're also adding catalog management as one of the procedure. You can watch out our videos on how to understand how to get these things access done. That's also super easy. Now let's come down to the most important part. we want to do a bulk broadcast with this number. So the first thing is we want to upload our customer contact list. In order to do that, in the left side bar, you'll find that there is a subscriber manager. Click on that, a new dashboard will open. So the first time when you are uploading a subscriber, there are multiple things that you can do. The thought that will come is like I can click on this option and I can import my subscriber. Okay, so when you import directly, in this case, when you're going to run campaign, running broadcasting campaign can be difficult because you have to select a particular list of people to whom you want to send this broadcast. So first create a label for them. Let's say I am going to create a contact list for today's date. Let's say today's date is 26th. So first I'll create a label for 26th. So I'll click, so as you see, I first clicked on this manage label. Then I clicked on create, gave it a name as 26th. This particular number. If you have added multiple numbers for WhatsApp API, then you can choose that this particular label belongs to which number. Then click on save. So this label has been created. Now we'll cross this. As you see now here, it is showing that it has 0 contact numbers right now. So in the next step, again, we'll go back to subscriber manager. We'll click on options. We'll click on import subscriber. While importing subscriber, you have to first select that on which label you are uploading these people. So select this label, then upload, click on upload. So when you are uploading your CSV, make sure that you follow a template. So what is that template? You see there, here you will find a download sample CSV. So I'll click on this. A sample CSV will be automatically downloaded. So I'm using Google Sheet to check how this looks like. So I'll just browse that file. So this is the file. So this is a sample file that I'm uploading right now. This is a sample CSV. Using this sample CSV, we are going to add data to it and upload it back to Sendu. So according to CSV, the first column will be your phone numbers. The second column will be your name. Now let's say you want to add more column to this. Let's say it is like email address. Okay. You can add as many custom fields that you want on the header. Let's say we want to add address. Okay. So I will let's take some sample data over here again. Like I'll add any random number. I think this is not working. Okay. Let's add any random number. Let's add another random number. Let's give it a name. Let's give another name. You can keep any email address you wish to have, like your customer contact email address, obviously, and anything, any email that you think, is valid for your customer. You can add that email over here. You can add any address that you think is correct for them. So these custom fields are basically used by businesses. Let's say they want to deliver any product. So you can get a message template approved that, hey Snehil, your product will be delivered to your custom field address tomorrow. So when the address is added to that message template, automatically this custom field data will be fetched inside that message template. So how to use that thing, how to use that templates, you can watch our other video where you'll find how to use create such templates. So right now my customer contact list is ready. I simply download this in a CSV format. So the CSV file will be downloaded now. Now I will use this to upload. So this is the one. So as you can see, it is showing me that it's 0.2 KB file. It is showing me these two details, like it is also showing me the custom fields that are being captured. So whenever you upload any size list, let's say that has thousands of contacts, it will always show first two rows as sample data. It will not show the entire thing. So moving forward, I'll confirm this and it shows success. 2 subscribers have been inserted. Okay. Now I have added 2 people. I want to do a bulk broadcast with these guys. So what I'll do is I'll go to broadcast. Here in broadcast, I'll create a new broadcast. Now this is going to be interesting. How do you create that broadcast? So in order to create that broadcast, you will first have to select, give a campaign name. So let's say, just a moment. Let's say I am giving a campaign test demo broadcast. I've given it a name. Now here are two things that you have to make sure. There are two options. One is 24-hour and one is anytime. So what is the difference between these two procedure of doing broadcasting? When you choose 24 hours, it will show the subscribers who have contacted your WhatsApp API enabled number in last 24 hours. So let's say you want to send them a message about a promotion or anything that you want to talk with a let's say you're doing a promotion to them. So if you only want to talk to those people who contacted you in last 24 hours, those people will be sent a broadcast message. But right now you see our account is new, we are doing a new demo. So if I turn on 24 hours, the total subscribers to whom I'm going to reach is 0, because there are none of the people who have reached out to me on this number that I have integrated already in just now integrated in the beginning of this video. That was a test number that is provided from Meta end. So obviously nobody has reached out to me on this number because this is a test number. But let's suppose some of you have messaged me on that number in last 24 hours, then there would have been a subscriber count. Now what we want to do right now is we have uploaded two sample data as you see here. I want to send these people. These are not the guys who have contacted me in last 24 hours. So I'll have to choose the time anytime. By anytime I mean any subscriber in my subscriber list, regardless of when they have contacted me. I want to send them a bulk broadcast. So I'll choose the anytime option. Then I have to select a template message for which with which I'm going to outreach them. Right now you see here it is a blank. Why? Because I have added this number, but I have not got a message template approved. Since this is a demo video, so I'll show you how you can get the message template done. You have on the left sidebar, you have to go to bot manager. Here you will find message template option. Okay. Since we are just getting started, so what I can do is here I can you can see that right now none of the message template have been fetched. So in order to do this, so now here I have come to my message template. As we have seen that here no message template was shown. So first we need to fetch the message template on approved on this particular number that we have integrated. So when you come to message template, here you will get an option of check status button. When you click this, all the message templates that have been approved for this particular number, they will be shown over here. Now since this is now showing, this hello world is a demo template again that has been approved for this. You can view this when you click on this. You see that this is a utility message that has been created as for a demo purpose by Meta that you can use for testing. If you add your number and you can sync all your message templates that you create. So in order to create new message templates, you can click on create. You can create a marketing message template. You can create an OTP message, or which language you want to choose. You can also define header, whether that header will be an image, video, document, or text. Based on these, you can also set up call to action, all those good stuff that you can do, and you can hit on save. It will go for approval. Once it is get approved, you can use that particular message template again. So just in case when you submit a new message template, what you have to do is keep on clicking check status. As soon as the message template will get approved, you will see that that new message template has been approved and the status will show as approved. So right now we'll use this demo template for broadcasting. We'll go back to broadcasting since we will have to leave this, and again we'll have to retry doing the broadcasting. So let's go to WhatsApp broadcasting. Let's create a broadcast. As I was already explaining you that you have to give a title, campaign name. Now we want to reach anybody on an anytime basis. Then we'll select a message template. Right now you see hello world, it is showing. Okay. Then you have to include label IDs. Now, what are those people to whom you want to outreach with this message template? So you have to select those labeled people. So every time you upload your customer list, make sure that you have labeled them with something. So I have labeled this. Let's say you have multiple people with, let's say this is for logistic department list, this is for IT department field. So based on that, if you want to exclude somebody from this, like let's say somebody is present in IT department also, somebody is present in logistic department also. So you want to remove those person who are in both the department, who are in the IT department. You simply select that, okay, IT department should be excluded and only the people who are into logistic should be sent the message. So based on that, you have to do your logics, and then you have to select your customer list and then select a time. Let's say you want to send it right now, you can send it right away, or you can also schedule it. So scheduling you can easily do. You can set the date, you can set the time, you can set the time zone according to which time zone the message should go. You can define it over here. Let's say I am from India, I want that the message should go according to my Indian standard time, then it can happen accordingly. Right now I'm going to send it straight forward. So I will save it. Now the broadcast is ready. Now I want to make sure that what should go in that broadcast. So I'll simply give a title to this broadcast. I'll hit save. So we are ready. The broadcast is ready to send with a message template this to this particular label people. So there are total 2 subscriber. I have done the hit save. The broadcast flow name is been given. Now when I click on save, it will show me a success message. We can go back and see how this particular broadcast is now happening. So you see, when I go back to broadcast, it is showing me pending. But as soon as this message template start delivering, you will be shown that how many people the message have been sent, how many it has been delivered, how many people have opened that. And let's say some of them, let's say they are not on the WhatsApp, that number is not on the WhatsApp. So maybe it can fail, or there are certain policies right now with WhatsApp site that if X number of promotional message, marketing message a person has already received, then on that daily basis, maybe he'll not receive that message. It will be received on the another day. So in that case, failure happens, and then you can check what is the reason. If that is because of these reasons, probably it will be sent on another day. So you easily try to figure it out how things are happening. So you can also click on this view icon and see what's the status. So here, let's say when once it will be sent, it will be shown as sent, how many it has been delivered, everything you can see. And you can see this result up to 100 in one page. You can also copy this data and download and send it as a report format to anybody you wish to do. Also, at the same time, if you want to do any integrations, third-party integrations, here there are API developer options where you can go generate API keys and integrate this Sendu with any third-party tools. So that's how the broadcasting happens. And if you do it properly, it will be delivered to any number of people that you want to wish to send. You can see right now it is pending because we are using test numbers. So using test numbers, these are generally late, delayed, or that way. But if you use it with your API number, this would be a successful procedure. That's all on the broadcasting side. The last thing, the best thing that I told in the that I'll be sharing in the last end of this video is, when you are creating any chatbot, let's say we are creating any chatbot, and you are sending it to your customer list with a message template with any label IDs, then you can set up certain bot flows. You can give it a title. After that, you can set up an AI for it. You can set up AI, connect this with AI. Let's say you don't want to keep this, you will remove this particular connections, and you can also set it to AI. So what AI will do is it will reply to your customers based on how you want AI to reply it. When you click on this AI reply, you will have to train your AI with all your data. Let's say you are a business and you sell clothes. You'll write all details about your clothes, pricing details, and everything that you want wish to add. You hit the save button, you hit like any data that you want, please write a message to the to learn AI. It will learn, and based on that, the message will be delivered to them. Or else, if this does not work, you can go back, because people are going to reply to you. You can go back to action buttons, and you can set up a bot flow where you can remove this, and you can set an AI reply for your number. So you see there is an option of AI reply. You can set up an AI reply. So whenever somebody replies to you and you are not available to talk, then the AI will reply on your behalf. And this AI will reply based on what data you feed over here. So always make sure you are turning on your no match cases. This will help you a lot in setting up certain talkative AI as an autoresponder, so that when you are not there, your customers are not left out. So that's the beauty of broadcasting. You can use no match cases to reply to your customers, because obviously when you are broadcasting, some customers are going to reply, and you don't want to make sure that you're not replying. You don't want to do that. So make sure that the AI is replying on your behalf. That was all about the broadcasting using the SendWo. And if you need any help on the API setup into Sendu, either you can go and visit our docs, or you can simply talk to our WhatsApp chat support that is also AI powered. It will give you all the answers. I'll just walk you through this. You can visit Sendu website. Let me open the Sendu website. So when you go to SendWo website, you will see that there is a chat icon over here with the button talk to support. When you click on talk to support, whatever questions are coming into mind, whether you're getting certain problem, error, or anything, that generally happens because you do not know how to do this, or maybe there is an understanding, maybe your team is not able to figure out how to do things. You can talk to this support. This is powered by AI with all the procedures, policies, documentations. You can simply ask them and the AI will reply. Just in case the AI is not solving your problem, there will be a human to talk to you. So follow all these strategies, and bulk broadcasting is going to be very amazing for you using the power of SendWo official WhatsApp API. If you like this video, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we are looking forward to help your business in growing using the power of WhatsApp automation. Thank you for watching till the end.